one of my responsibilities is to study how to help people take this journey through illogicalness to get to a place of peace of mind when everything around them is overwhelming, to be clear-headed when things are challenging, where every instinct says be defensive, be defensive, be defensive, but to shift into a mindset of being present and compassionate when the animal brain is saying be defensive. Each one of us, we've been talking with him about the natural feel of intolerance and annoyance with certain people, but he's pushing himself to feel something different in those settings. One of the things that Stephen Covey taught is that one of our most godlike features is that we have the option of having a godlike experience that is unnatural, that is against nature, that is different than the flow of just existing. And so we get to pick to be something more divine than what is natural, but you can't do it on accident. We've learned that the brain is like a garden. Anything that grows on accident is probably a weed, and anything you want to grow on purpose must be chosen, planted, nurtured, and if it's not there on purpose, it's probably not good. So we've got this technology that's at our fingertips, and it has tons of you're not ever going to need a self-help book ever again, because now you can write a custom-made self-help book for yourself, just exactly what you need, instead of all that wasted time on what other people need. I am a doctor. I have clients that are very irritating. I want to retain or to obtain and maintain compassion and empathy for what they are going through. I want to be attentive and help them feel relevant. I would like ideas from the most accurate psychology and the words of LDS prophets and doctrine. Please write me instructions on how to reach this personal psychological goal.
If you're finding this video helpful or want to help us reach others in need, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe because it really supports our channel. Thank you.
Instructions for cultivating compassion. Prepare spiritually and mentally before interactions. Pray for guidance and love. Adopt a mindset of service. Use mindfulness techniques. Seek to understand their behavior. Practice active listening. Reframe irritation as a signal of unmet needs. Identify their strengths. Build and sustain compassion. Recall their divine worth. Oh, that sounds annoying. Cultivate Christ-like empathy. Use visualization technique. Oh my gosh. 4 steps and 3 steps within every one of the 4 steps. Never mind. This looks like work. You know what I'm saying? I wanted to change my psychology, but not with so much effort. Where's the microwave for my burrito? Renew my own energy. Let's see. Respond with patience and grace. Pause before reacting. Speak kindly and validate. Renew my own energy. Evaluate progress. So I drop this into a document copy, and then I send it to you, new document, and instantly you have a handbook, but I always have to add something else to it, which is, write something. Please give me several self-talk phrases and sentences to help me get in this better frame of mind. Anyway, did you see I could spend 6 weeks reading 10 self-help books, or I could just do that. So this is what we have at our fingertips nowadays, is all this research. Like, I need 8 quotes from general conferences to back this up. Find me some concepts from Hindu and Muslim and Oriental religions to back this up. It'll find it for you. Give me 10 things to say that make me sound like I'm empathetic even if I'm not.